So you've just bought a new Jeep Wrangler, and there are a ton of aftermarket accessories that you can put on it. Today on CJ Off-Road, we're going to show you the top 5 easiest modifications fitting your 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler. Now, one of the first and most easy modifications to your JK is to replace the lighting. From the factory, your Jeep is equipped with halogen headlights as well as just simple yellow bulb tail lights. So in our case, we've already upgraded our JK to have LED headlights as well as tail lights. Now this process couldn't be much simpler. You need one hand tool, which is a Torx bit, as well as to remove 6 clips, and you can replace your headlights. The tail lights as well are just as simple. They require 4 Phillips head screws to be removed and plug in the new unit. Now for the headlights, you can go anywhere from a replacement bulb all the way to a full LED option like we have in our Jeep. Taillights are the same. You can replace the factory bulbs with an LED bulb, or you can take it to the next step and replace the entire housing with an LED function. And after you've replaced your factory headlights and taillights, another great add-on is off-road lights. Now, as you can see, we've got the KC 50-inch bar up top there. It was super simple to install. It came with a complete harness, and really you only need a few tools to do it, and it increased our light output significantly. So I would recommend definitely your headlights, taillights, and if you have the extra cash or funds available, make sure to check out some off-road lighting. Now, another easy modification that you can make to your Wrangler is to change up your wheel and tire setup. Now, the factory wheels that come on your Wrangler, especially if you bought a Sport, are a 16-inch steel wheel with a highway tread tire. Now, as you can see on our 2008, we've upgraded to a Moto Metal wheel with a 35-inch Nitto Trail Grappler. It really changed the look of the Jeep, and it's as simple as lifting the Jeep up, taking off the old stock garbage tires, and putting on a set of new ones, and you're done. Getting in and out of your Jeep Wrangler, whether it's lifted or stock, can be really difficult without anything to grab onto. So one of my top 5 easy modifications would be a set of grab handles. Now on our 2008 Jeep Wrangler, we do have a set of grab bars handles, which makes getting in and out really easy. Now, as you can see, this is just one type of grab handle that's offered. There are a lot of different varieties, some that even go onto the roll bar here, and in the rear there's another set to help other passengers get in and out. The exhaust that comes stock on your JK is super quiet, and you can actually barely hear the engine running when you have a factory exhaust on it. So one of my top 5 easiest modifications for your JK would be an exhaust system, specifically an axle back system. Now on our 2008, we do have a full kit running from the headers back. It's a little bit more involved to install, but not much. Now the axle back only requires the removal of one band clamp and a few of the hangers. Now at CJ's, we have installed a ton of exhaust systems onto our Jeeps, and we offer a wide variety. And having installed them a few times, I can definitely recommend this as a quick and easy product. It should only take you about an hour to pull off your factory exhaust and put a new axle back on. Now, after you've bought your JK, a great way to protect your seats is actually to install a set of seat covers. For our 2008, we don't have any installed right now, and that's a great way to let these things get ruined, especially with the winter time coming up. Now, we offer a ton of seat covers. Some are made of neoprene, which is actually a wetsuit material, meaning that any water, mud, or debris won't get through. And there's actually some that include storage bags on the back of the seat cover, allowing you to store more trail equipment or anything you want to throw back there. In the end, you want to make sure that your interior stays as nice as possible, even if you go out in the mud. So I'd recommend a set of seat covers for your JK to really protect your investment. Now today on CJ Off-Road, we've gone over about 5 of the easiest modifications to make to your JK Wrangler. Now there are a ton of aftermarket accessories that you can do to these Jeeps, and you can find the parts that we talked about today as well as a ton more parts here at cjponyparts.com.